It's too hot in
Special
here.
guest appearance
It's too hot in
by
here
the
right
master of the garage.
If you're gonna be out here, you need to raise the door.
It is hot. We weren't going to be in much longer.
But this
That's
is
the man.
Remember, Dad, we had the pool table and the ping pong table, and Jason was very competitive.
One day he was playing with you, wasn't he? When you beat him? And I was...
Are you talking about the Yama Yama?
Yeah.
You could immediately tell if Jason won or lost a game. You could, and if he had lost, we loved to tease him about it and act like we had no idea. So when he came walking in the house, we'd always have to ask, "Did you win?
Did you win, Jason?" Well, one time it started when I hear the slam, slam, and here's my brother stomping into the kitchen, going yama yama, making a little noise like that, yama yama yama. And I said, "Did you win, Jason?" He thought I was making fun of him, and he said, "Shut up!" And went to his room and slammed the door. So apparently Pappy whooped him in a game of pool, and he didn't like it. So since then, yama yama has become part of our vernacular for when we're
and Mom
complaining.
Can't stand those slamming doors, and we'll talk about how she would deal with that. The negative reinforcement.
when we get to his door. This is where Miss Kitty would also be put out to sleep.
Yeah.
And she had a nice little routine. When she was ready to go to bed, she'd walk up to my dad, and he would say, "Wanna go bed?" And she'd answer him.
And she would plop.
She would.
You might want to say.
You might want to describe what plop means. She would say, "Yeah," make a little noise like that,
And she would flop over on her side and stretch out like she was ready to go to sleep.
it never failed. She would plop.